Hi, good afternoon. Today I'm gonna introduce you about the okra plant. Okra in Chinese we call it chiu kui. It's also called it lady's finger. It is an edible green seed pod, and the pod are rich in the whole side and a bit fuzzy if you look it closely. Usually the pod is fat in the top and skinny at the bottom. Although sometimes it has a unique curved shape. As you can see in the picture, there are some curl shape which is grow incorrectly. Okra is an annual plant at North Carolina. It can grow as high as 6 feet or 2 meters tall. But okra flowers is very beautiful. They are one of the prettiest flowers you will find in the vegetable garden. Unfortunately, it's only bloom for one day. And okra love very hot and humid weather. The temperature needs at least to be 85 degrees and up. The hotter the humid is better for okra. When the weather gets humid and hot, the okra tends to grow better. It will come out a lot of okras. But you need to cut the okras when it is ready to harvest. You can't wait. If you wait, they will grow longer. Then it became old and it won't taste good anymore. Unless you want to keep it for the seed, then you let it grow very long. It's a very nutritional food, and yet it's affordable food. It is very high in vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin K, folate, and fiber. Okra is also an antioxidant food. Many believe that the okra can stabilize blood sugar for diabetes sufferers. Also good for bones since it contains magnesium. So when the cooked okra inside the seed pod create the taste like gooey or slimy, sort of like sticky glue. So if you don't like that slimy taste, you can soak the okra in vinegar for half an hour before cooking. That will reduce a little bit better. So the next time you go to the market, when you need to buy okra, make sure to choose the tiny okra rather than the big one. Basically you just choose the tiny one is no more than 2 to 3 inches long. If you choose longer than that, it will not taste good. It's old and hard to eat. So okra in the south, people will fry their okras or cook with gumbo, which is okra can create those gooey sticky sauce, can make the food taste sticky. In the south, like just chicken fast food store, sometimes they sell the fried okras. So it also tastes very good with curry. If you know how to cook curry, then you can use okra to do it. So the next time when you come across okra, you might want to give it a try. If you buy it from the store, you can normally keep it in the fridge about 3 to 5 days. You just put in a bag or a plastic bag. If you change your mind, after a couple days, if you don't have time to cook, you can always pick up that okra, put into your freezer. So whenever you're ready to cook, you can just take it out to steam it or to fry it. but you do not need to defrost. Okay. If you want to see how to do it, please visit my check out my other video, how to save okra in the freezer. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I see you next time again. Bye bye.